So the Schrade Froe is a one-tool option. Well, weighs a couple pounds, a little less than what the axe there does. It's 15 inches, roughly. You can see roughly about the same size, so maybe 14 inches. Pretty good hardened steel. I've only had this roll on me once, and then I was batoning something I shouldn't have really been batoning to begin with. But it cleaned up really easy, extremely easy. Pretty good. You see it's a very thick spine to it. I'm guessing probably around 3/8 of an inch. Downside to this is that that is not a 90-degree spine, so no, you cannot strike a fire rod on it. The edge up here, though, however, is very fine. If I can get the camera to focus, pretty much like a knife. I sharpen this all the time on a knife and axe sharpener, and really does help. This is not a huge Froe, so I'd say logs many more than like 6 inches, and you really start to have problems with getting it to baton. Now this is a full tang, so you can actually baton back here if you need to. You're not really going to hurt anything other than the grip, but that's not a big deal. It's a great option for a one tool, but I don't think it is a one tool. I would still prefer to have the axe. Now this will substitute, and it makes a good substitute. It will cut almost as good as a Mora. It will chop almost as good as a machete. It will almost process the same amount or type of wood that this would. But this is a almost tool. I can do more with this than I can do with this. That's the reason why I believe this is a better option than this for a one tool. This actually will take a ferro rod. So if you guys agree with that kind of comparison, give me a thumbs up. Let me know something in the comments. What is your choices for a one tool option?